When your Rinnai Tankless water heater has no power, systematic diagnosis is essential. Even gas-powered units require electricity for ignition and control systems. Start with the most common cause, a tripped circuit breaker. Locate your electrical panel and check if the breaker for your water heater has switched to the off position. Next, verify the power outlet if your unit plugs in. Test it with another device like a lamp or phone charger to confirm it's working properly. Don't forget to check your gas supply. Ensure the gas valve is fully open, and for propane units, verify your tank isn't empty. Also confirm the power switch on the heater itself is in the on position. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, look for error codes on your unit's display. These codes provide specific diagnostic information to pinpoint the exact problem. Common underlying issues include mineral buildup, which accounts for nearly half of all tankless heater failures, combustion and venting problems, and system overload. Regular maintenance and descaling are crucial for preventing these problems. When basic power checks don't resolve the issue, the next step is to reset your Rinnai Tankless water heater. There are several reset methods depending on your specific model. The basic reset is the simplest method. Turn off the power to your water heater, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then restore power. This clears temporary system errors and allows the unit to restart fresh. Some Rinnai models support a controller button reset. Press the on-off button 5 times in a row within 5 seconds. This method works when the controller is responsive but the system needs a reset. For more serious issues, a hard reset may be required. First method, turn off power and isolation valves. Remove the front cover, then hold priority and mode buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. The second method uses the PC board directly. Locate buttons A and B, press and hold them for 5 to 10 seconds until P is displayed, then hold again until PLC appears on the screen. After attempting resets, check for error codes on your unit's display. Common codes include 10 and 12 for flame failure and 14 for thermal fuse issues. Always consult your manual for specific troubleshooting steps. If reset procedures don't restore power, it's time to contact a qualified technician. Professional help is needed for ignition system problems, heat exchanger blockages, or electrical component failures that require specialized tools and expertise. Remember, while reset procedures can resolve many power-related issues with your Rinnai Tankless water heater, complex electrical or mechanical problems should always be handled by qualified professionals to ensure safety and proper repair.